Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so here in the UK, the restrictions have been lifted slightly. Things are looking a little bit more normal. But for me personally, I'm still a little bit wary. But hell, life has to go on, and we have to find new stock for you people. So yesterday I decided, right, let's go on a pen hunt. So, with my trusty little loop in hand, also a bottle of hand sanitizer, as well as my trusty mask, and obviously we need some money to buy the pens, obviously. So having all them things together, I went for a 3-hour drive. Lovely weather, lovely day through the countryside, quite enjoyable, and this is what we managed to find. So here we are. So let's get right into it. As always with all my pen hauls, obviously you have to buy the rough with the smooth. So some of them are quite nice, some of them have got issues, some of them have got parts missing, some are broken, so they'll use for parts. Most of them, where possible, will be available for sale. The ones that I've not reviewed before, I'll do individual reviews on them. Pens that I've already reviewed will still be available for sale, but I will not be reviewing them, so keep your eyes open. So let's get into it. There we go. We've got quite simply, I know this one's just simply an empty box, a Schaefer Tiger box. This sort of Christmassy box here. Now, very interesting is that I picked it up, and yeah, some of you may recognize it, some of you may not, but if I keep it, it's not a review, so I'm going to keep it nice and still and quick. Can you tell what it is? Well, let me give you a clue, because inside the box, what we had is this. Okay, so quite clearly, and if I just open it into a page there, you can see I can't read it because it's all in German, but what we have is a Mont Blanc fountain pen, and obviously a vintage one, so we'll look into that and see what we'll be doing with that particular pen. Let's go straight to the top. The reason I actually bought this one, although it's quite a cheapy pen, or maybe not, I liked it because it's got this lovely original box, and there we have it. That's the pen inside. So as it says quite clearly, it's the Royal Lever self-filling pen. I actually quite like this box, so very interesting. Some of you will look at this case here and you'll recognize it straight away. There we go. We've got a Conway Stewart set. So as I say, some of them are in, you know, a lot of them basically are going to be needed restoration, cleaning, etc. So there's a lot of work ahead for me. Again, some of you will recognize this case. There we go. Says what it says on the tin, Parker 61. Let's go straight to the back once again and stick with the Parkers. There you go, a nice Parker box, and there we go, a nice Parker 51 fountain pen. As I say, I've done you lots on Parker 51, so the likes of this pen will not be reviewed again. There we go, look at that, and lovely, really old Swan fountain pen box. And if I open it up, there you go, look at that, a lovely coral Swan fountain pen. Let's just take that label off if we can. The only problem, as I say, with this pen, although it's a beautiful pen, is look at that. A gaping big hole to the top there, a burn mark or whatever it is. Some instructions inside. So a beautiful pen. What we're going to do with it, I'm not too sure. Do I attempt to repair that hole? Maybe. So we'll see. Let's go to the back here, and can you tell what it is by the box? Look at that, an absolutely gorgeous Waterman, is it the CC or the CF fountain pen, in gorgeous condition, absolutely superb. In fact, I've looked at that, it's actually never been inked. And last but not least, look at this. Yes, some of you will look at it, recognise it straight away. We've got the service manual underneath there. Okay, so what we've got is a Mont Blanc fountain pen, a lovely pen. I'm not going to go and show it to you, I'm going to sort of tease you a little bit because yeah, I'll do a review on this one, and obviously it's going to be available as well for sale. Don't build your hopes up, it's not a 149, 146, but a gorgeous Mont Blanc fountain pen, a lovely example. So keep watching. So there you have it. No, did you think that was it? No. So also, they were the ones that were actually boxed. Let's show you the loose pens. And here they are. These are the loose pens that we also came across. What we got here, I think this is actually a Caligraph fountain pen. Is it a Blackbird or whatever, the Caligraph? We've got a Schaefer. This one is actually, is it a touchdown? It's actually in bad condition. It needs something doing with it. Again, whether it's a spares pen, you know, who knows. Again, Parker 51, engraved into the barrel. So what do we do with that? We'll soon find out. I think this one's a unique fountain pen in lovely colour. I'm sure that one will actually come up quite nicely. So again, let's see what we're going to do with it. Just out of interest, there's another Schaefer pen. This one's not a touchdown. Yeah, it looks a little bit better condition, gold nib. Let's see, yeah, converter with it. So yeah, what do we do with it? Do we just clean it up, make it available for sale? Who knows? We've got this, I think this one's a Waterman with the sort of semi-hooded nib, as you can see there. These are actually gorgeous pens. They're very nice to write with, and it's a button filler, as you can see there. So I'm sure what we'll do, we'll restore that again. Somebody will enjoy it for many years to come. What we've also got, look at this one here, a very interesting pen in my opinion. Do you recognise the clip, anybody? If you do, please let me know, because I'm not 100% sure what it actually is. All I do know is if I take the cap off, look at that, and if I unscrew or screw the end there, screw it back again, yes, it's a safety pen. Now the only sort of markings it's actually got is if I just show you there, I don't know if it's upside down, doesn't matter, it's not a review, it says made in Germany. So it's a German made fountain pen. I believe it may be from the Mont Blanc family. Is it an old Mont Blanc? I don't know. Is it a Simplo fountain pen from the Simplo stable, or maybe, I don't know, it's not got the markings on top. Is it the Astoria from the Astoria family? I do not know, because all it says is made in Germany, but it looks very familiar to numerous Mont Blanc safety pens. So if anybody knows what it is, yeah, it'd be very helpful. The only thing wrong with it is, although it says made in Germany, it's got this nib in it, which is, I think it's a stainless steel, or it's actually a gold plated nib which has been worn down to the steel, and it says made in USA. So somebody along the line has removed the nib and replaced it with that. So again, if someone can tell me what nib this one requires or normally has, again, that, well, any information on this pen will be appreciated. So don't be shy, leave a comment. There we go. a very nice classic, needs no introduction, Conway Stewart 58. And for you people, I'm sure some of you people, not all people, some people understand, but some people don't seem to understand that when I actually go out, yes, I have to pay for these pens, believe it or not. They don't come free. No, 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 no. Because I get the impression that some people think, oh, Steph, you're so lucky. Where'd you get all these pens from? Well, they cost blooming money. That's where I get them from. And just to give you an example, there you go. Still got the original. This is how the vendor was selling them. There we go. 125. Conway Stewart 58. 125. Okay, I didn't pay the 125 for them, but there's an idea, you know, what people are selling these pens for. And this is actually from the same vendor. An absolutely gorgeous. This is a Waterman pen. Off the top of my head, I forget what model, but this beautiful sort of brown and blue marbling. Okay, and what's he got it there? Waterman's and whatever, 14 karat gold nib, £85. Yeah, so, you know, and again, 125 for the other, 85 for this, but I bought them as a job lot, and you know, we decided on the price. So, you know, as you can see, these are all pens that I've actually bought with my own money. A nice Conway Stewart. What's he got this one priced at? £85. Okay, there we go, £85. That was in the same lot. And this one here, this one, believe it or not, is quite a little bit special. He's got it as £40, and if you look at the top there, I'm not going to bring it too close because I'm going to do a review on this one. It says damaged. At that point, I'm going to leave it at that. It's a Swan fountain pen, but there's something a little bit special about this one. It's in beautiful mint condition, but there we go. Let's remove it. I'll do a review on that one because there's something I don't want to show you now, which I'll show you on the review. What we got here, Parker Dufold in black. The clip sort of is loose. There we go. Dirty nib, etc. But these pens, this one will restore very nicely, and somebody will enjoy it for many years to come because these pens are workhorses, superb everyday writer pens. Let's go to the back there. There we go. We've got, there we go, a Schaefer Snorkel fountain pen. It's got some marks. Well, again, needs servicing. So let's pop that to one side. What's this one here? Actually, if I remember rightly, this is actually a nice Parker Dufold fountain pen. But as you can see, I think it, well, I know that it's got actually the wrong clip, but the pen itself is actually very nice. I can't see over the camera, but yeah, I think it says Parker Dufold on the nib. So that one definitely will be restored, and it'll be made, well, again, made available. Most of these will be, in fact, they're all available. If somebody's looking for a pen to practice their own restoration, and they may be interested in one of these pens, that, you know, they may think, oh, I'd like to try that one, see if I can restore it, then yeah, send me an email, give me a shout. You know, everything is available for a price. Yeah, another Parker 51 in burgundy. The nib slightly out of line, but yeah, nice condition. Again, I've shown you lots of reviews on the, oh, look at that, the clip slightly bent. That's not a problem, we can sort that out. Oh, this is from that previous collection. Again, this chap here, in gorgeous condition. You can see the chasing is absolutely gorgeous, but again, look at the price there, £105, and he's got it as Blackbird self-filling pen, 1920s. Yeah, £105. So once again, you can see, yeah, you know, unfortunately these pens don't come come to me for nothing. I have to pay for them. And last but not least, there we go, a sort of nice bluish colour there. And what we've got here is a Valentine fountain pen. Quite rare to find a Valentine clip, and if I take the cap, yeah, and it's actually got the original Valentine nib. So the nib itself is quite sought after and quite rare. It's not in the best of conditions. You can see it's all discoloured, you know. Oh, what have we got at the bottom? Right at the bottom we've got, let's show you, we've got 02, so presumably it's a Valentine model 02. So again, what do we do with that? Do we sell it as it is for spares or repairs? Do we restore it? I'm not sure yet, but there we go. And that's it basically. That's all the pens that I found yesterday, so I'm going to be very busy over the next however long. Anything you're interested in, give me a shout. Again, majority are available for sale if you're interested. And keep your eyes open. Like I say, some of them that are quite interesting or I've not done reviews, I'll be doing individual reviews on them, so you've got a lot to keep watching out for. In the meantime, don't be shy, leave a comment down below, and don't forget, subscribe if you've not subscribed, otherwise you're going to miss all this. And don't forget people, as I say, although you know some places have opened up slightly, please still stay safe. We're not out of the woods yet, but for now I'll just say bye bye for now.